How do I copy to the clipboard in JavaScript? What is the best way to copy text to the clipboard? Multi-browser. There are three primary browser APIs for copying to the clipboard. Async Clipboard API. Navigator Clipboard Write Text. Text-focused portion available in Chrome 66. March 2018. Access is asynchronous and uses JavaScript promises. Can be written so security user prompts if displayed. Don't interrupt the JavaScript in page. Text can be copied to the clipboard directly from a variable. Only supported on pages served over HTTPS. In Chrome 66 pages in active tabs can write to the clipboard without a permissions prompt. Document exec command. Copy. Most browsers support this as of April 2015. Access is synchronous. That is, stops JavaScript in the page until complete, including displaying and user interacting with any security prompts. Text is read from the DOM and placed on the clipboard. During testing April 2015, only Internet Explorer was noted as displaying permissions prompts whilst writing to the clipboard. Overriding the copy event allows you to modify what appears on the clipboard from any copy event. Can include other formats of data other than plain text. Not covered here as it doesn't directly answer the question. General development notes: don't expect clipboard-related commands to work whilst you are testing code in the console. Generally the page is required to be active. Async Clipboard API. Or requires user interaction. For example, a user click to allow. Document exec command. Copy. To access the clipboard, see below for more detail. Async plus fallback. Due to the level of browser support for the new Async Clipboard API, you will likely want to fall back to the document exec command. Copy. Method to get good browser coverage. Here is a simple example. Async Clipboard API. Note that there is an ability to request permission and test for access to the clipboard via the Permissions API in Chrome 66. Document exec command. Copy. Browser support. The JavaScript document exec command. Copy. Support has grown. Internet Explorer 10 plus. Google Chrome 43 plus. Mozilla Firefox 41 plus. Opera 29 plus. Simple example. Complex example. Copy to clipboard without displaying input. The above simple example works great if there is a text area or input element visible on screen. In some cases you might wish to copy text to the clipboard without displaying an input text area element. This is one example of a way to work around this. Basically, insert element. Copy to clipboard. Remove element. Additional notes. Only works if the user takes an action. All document exec command. Copy. Calls must take place as a direct result of a user action. For example, click event handler. This is a measure to prevent messing with the user's clipboard when they don't expect it. Clipboard API. Document query command supported. Copy. Should return true if the command is supported by the browser. And document query command enabled. Copy. Return true if the document exec command. Copy. Will succeed if called now. Checking to ensure the command was called from a user-initiated thread and other requirements are met. However, as an example of browser compatibility issues, Google Chrome from April to October 2015 only returned true from document query command supported. Copy. If the command was called from a user-initiated thread. Note compatibility detail below. Browser compatibility detail. Whilst a simple call to document exec command. Copy. Wrapped in a try-catch block called as a result of a user click will get you the most compatibility. Use the following has some provisos. Any call to document exec command, document query command supported or document query command enabled should be wrapped in a try-catch block. Different browser implementations and browser versions throw differing types of exceptions when called instead of returning false. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.